Whether you're shaping furniture pieces or tackling detailed DIY projects, the jigsaw is one of the most versatile tools a woodworker can own. But not all jigsaws deliver the same control, comfort, or cutting precision. Choosing the right one can completely change the quality of your work. Today, I will show you the 7 best woodworking jigsaws that offer smooth cutting and pro-level performance. All the links are in the description so you can check out the current prices. Let's dive in. Number 7. Dewalt Max XR. The Dewalt Max XR is built for woodworkers who want cordless freedom without sacrificing accuracy or power. Its efficient motor delivers excellent cutting performance and long runtime, making it ideal for long sessions in the workshop or at job sites. The variable speed trigger and dial give you precise control up to 3,200 strokes per minute, helping you tailor the cut to the wood you're working with. It offers a 4-position orbital action that lets you switch between smooth, controlled cuts or aggressive, fast cutting. This helps when moving between materials like hardwood, plywood, or softer woods. A bright LED light illuminates your cut line, improving visibility in dim corners or tight workspaces. The dust blower also helps keep the line clear so you can follow curves or templates with confidence. With its protective shoe cover and durable build, the Max XR is a reliable, worker-friendly jigsaw for woodworking tasks of all kinds. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Workpro. The Workpro jigsaw brings a ton of performance for a budget-friendly tool. With a 6.5 amp motor and a speed range up to 3,000 strokes per minute, it's strong enough to cut through wood cleanly and quickly. It even prevents burning on the edges during long cuts thanks to steady power output. 6 variable speeds make it easy to match the cut to different materials, wood, metal, and plastics, while the 4/5-inch stroke length removes more material per pass, boosting efficiency. Bevel cuts are simple with the plus or minus 45-degree adjustable shoe, letting you create angled edges or detailed joints. Its 4 orbital modes help you move between coarse, aggressive cuts and finer, smoother cuts, depending on your woodworking project. A toolless blade change button makes switching blades quick and easy. Workpro even includes 7 blades, giving you useful options right out of the box. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Porter Cable. The Porter Cable jigsaw is perfect for woodworkers already invested in the 20-volt cordless system. It offers great control with a variable speed trigger topping out at 2,500 strokes per minute, allowing for smooth, accurate cuts in different types of wood. 3 orbital settings help you adjust the aggressiveness of each cut, making it easy to control tear out or speed when working with plywood, hardwood, or softer materials. A beveling shoe adds versatility with angled cuts up to 45 degrees, which is great for trim work and decorative woodworking. The built-in dust blower keeps your cut line visible, reducing mistakes and helping you follow curved patterns more precisely. Tool-free blade release also makes switching between T-shank blades simple and fast. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 4. Makita JV 0600K. The Makita is a favorite among professional woodworkers because it focuses on smooth, controlled cutting. Its 6.5 amp motor and variable speed dial give you a broad range between 500 and 3,100 strokes per minute, letting you tune the cut exactly how you like. One of its biggest strengths is the internal counterbalance system, which reduces vibration significantly. This helps you maintain cleaner cuts, especially on tight curves or delicate woodworking projects. Combined with the ergonomic rubberized grip, it's extremely comfortable for extended use. The adjustable aluminum base tilts from 0 to 45 degrees left or right for quick bevel adjustments. Makita includes an onboard wrench so you can shift angles anytime without hunting for tools. 3 orbital modes plus straight cutting give you flexibility across a variety of woods. If you build cabinets or custom woodworking pieces, this jigsaw brings precision and stability that pros appreciate. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Craftsman. Craftsman's jigsaw is a lightweight and versatile tool that fits well into any woodworking setup. Its variable speed trigger gives you control from 0 to 2,500 strokes per minute, helping you achieve clean, accurate cuts no matter the project. 3 orbital settings adjust cutting aggressiveness, letting you match your cut to the material. For woodworkers who switch often between plywood, pine, and hardwoods, this flexibility is incredibly helpful. The beveling shoe pivots up to 45 degrees, opening the door to angled cuts and more decorative woodworking. A dust blower keeps the cutting path clean, helping you stay accurate as you follow curves or scroll-like shapes. Its contoured, over-molded handle adds comfort during long woodworking sessions. Best of all, it accepts both T-shank and U-shank blades, giving you more freedom to use the blades you already own. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Makita X-CJ04Z. The Makita X-CJ04Z takes professional cutting to a higher level with its brushless motor. It delivers corded-level performance while staying lightweight and cordless, making it perfect for woodworkers who move around the shop frequently. 3 orbital settings and a variable speed dial up to 3,000 strokes per minute allow precise control over cut quality. The brushless motor runs cooler and uses battery power more efficiently, extending runtime and prolonging tool life. A major plus for serious woodworkers, toolless blade changes, a 2-finger trigger, and dual LED lights make it extremely user-friendly. The base bevels up to 45 degrees, giving you flexibility for angled cuts and custom woodworking pieces. The Makita Star Protection communication system also safeguards the tool and battery from overload or overheating. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Witlight. The Witlight jigsaw deserves a spot in this video thanks to its powerhouse performance, smart protection features, and wide compatibility. It works with Dewalt 20-volt max batteries, giving you more flexibility if you already own tools in that lineup. Its brushless motor reaches up to 3,800 strokes per minute, making it one of the fastest, most efficient cordless jigsaws available. With 6 speed settings, it adapts beautifully to hardwood, softwood, metal, and composite materials. 4 orbital options let you choose between straight cuts or more aggressive curved paths, ideal for intricate woodworking or fast material removal. For curved orbital cutting, simply remove the anti-splinter guard for best performance. Thoughtful design features include a dust blower or vacuum port, LED lighting, compact size, and a comfortable grip. Low voltage protection automatically shuts off the tool when the battery drops to a certain level, protecting your investment. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best jigsaws for woodworking you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.